Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Matebook D14, and now I'm gonna show you how to open troubleshooting mode on this device. Okay, firstly open Start App menu, then press and hold Shift button, then click on Power button and restart. Wait a while and release power button for about after 10 seconds and wait until your device will reboot. Okay, success. As you can see, we are in troubleshooting mode. Here we can choose troubleshoot and we can reset our PC. We can see advanced options or do something else. If you want to exit the troubleshooting mode, just click continue to exit and continue to Windows 11. So just click exit and wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.